new Cricut update, and I think I'm on version 7.11.156. And you notice that the icons are gone. So we used to be able to rotate using a little rotate icon. So we can still resize, but now we can resize from any corner versus before we had to go just to the lower um, right to resize. But do you see how when I move my icon or my mouse just outside, it goes to that curved arrow? So that's my rotate now. And actually, I can do it from any corner. Right now, I think the only way you can unlock is right here, unless there's an unlock that I just haven't found yet. So resize like that, delete, I would go over here and delete or right click to delete, but rotate, you just have to move the mouse so that it's a curved arrow. Hope that helps.